In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to interpret interest over time in Google Trends fast and easy. Whether you're a marketer, researcher, or simply curious about search patterns, Google Trends can be an invaluable tool. Let's dive into how you can quickly get insights from the interest over time metric. First, let's navigate to Google Trends. Simply launch your preferred web browser and search for Google Trends. It should be the first link you see. Once you're there, give it a click. Now you're on the Google Trends homepage, where you can explore a wealth of search data. Next, you'll want to click on the Explore button. This will take you to a section where you can dive deeper into specific topics. Now it's time to enter a keyword. Think about the topic, product, or niche you're interested in. For example, you could type in remote work, fitness apps, coffee machines, or digital marketing. Choose something relevant to your interest or industry. Type your chosen keyword into the search bar and press enter. At this stage, you'll see the trend graph populated with data. The graph is a visual representation of interest over time for your chosen keyword. However, to fine-tune the results, you can set location and language filters. Choose a target country or region to make the data more relevant to your audience or market. It's also a good idea to differentiate between search term and topic options, as each might provide different insights. Make sure your keyword aligns with the language of your audience for the best results. After setting these filters, adjust the time range. You can opt for the past 12 months to understand recent search interest, or expand to the past 5 years to identify long-term patterns. The choice of time frame can significantly affect the conclusions you draw, so be thoughtful here. With the interest over time graph in front of you, begin your analysis. Observe the line chart for spikes and dips. Spikes usually represent periods of high interest, whereas dips indicate lower interest. Look for broader trends too. Is interest rising, declining, or perhaps seasonal? This analysis will help you understand user behavior and forecast future trends. Remember to explore related topics and related queries, often located below the main graph. These sections can uncover other popular searches connected to your original keyword. They're perfect for generating content ideas, improving SEO strategies, or discovering potential marketing angles. For those interested in comparative analysis, Google Trends offers the option to track multiple keywords at once. Click on Plus Compare to add more keywords. This feature allows you to see how different topics or products fare against one another in terms of interest over time. Lastly, don't forget to scroll down and examine the summarized results to gather all the insights you've discovered. And there you have it. You're now equipped to interpret interest over time in Google Trends efficiently and effectively.